two things, you're essentially putting a cap on the performance of your computer. You don't want that. If your stream looks
If you're not happy with the way that your YouTube streams are looking when you're going live using OBS Studio and you're streaming in 1080p 60 frames per second, I'm going to show you the best setting steps here on. You want to make sure that you are there. Then one thing you're going to want to lag or as well of output. This is where everything is. Want to make sure that that is checked. If you're not happy with the way that your YouTube streams are looking,
Hello? 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 I think I might turn my fan off. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. It just did the thing again after I turned it to 7,500. So I don't think I'm under 7,500. 5,000 worked. I put it to 6,000. So maybe that works.
Mine's at 8,000 right now, I think. Can I check? I don't even know what it is. I never really changed it.
YouTube just doesn't like it.
So where do you change it?
I need to fix the chat thing to show my screen. I didn't add that, apparently.
Wait, where do you change your thing?
You just go to settings.
Which setting do I go
Wait,
to?
how do I add that chat thing? Oh, browser right there. How do I add the chat again? The chat plugin.
I mean, if I share my screen, like, I have Streamlabs linked to my OBS, so let's watch my stream. So I just click here. It opens up this page because I have my Streamlabs linked to my OBS. Then go over here to widgets, and then you can just add the chat box. It doesn't look like that. That's just like a display, but it actually looks like. Oh, I have to sign in, but it actually looks like that. Like, a little better.
Stream chat. I fixed it, so.
I mean, you can download Stream Elements. That's what like every big streamer uses, Stream Elements. Like, you know, Queso, he uses Stream Elements.
Yeah, I want that one.
Different platforms at the same time, especially because a lot of you have multiple YouTube streams now. In case you didn't know, you can stream in both horizontal and vertical aspect ratios. Yes, I know the UI doesn't look great, but we're only going to spend like 60 seconds inside of this white box, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. So you just need to log in with your Twitch and your YouTube accounts. So head to the platforms tab, and then for the Twitch and YouTube tabs, just log in with your accounts there. Make sure for the YouTube account that you
We'll right click to add a new channel reward. So how do I add Twitch?
check the box that says just log in accounts. So head to
Accounts? Right here, accounts. Oh, right here. Broadcaster account, login.
to the platforms tab, and for the to log in with your Twitch and your YouTube accounts. So head to the platforms tab, and then for the Twitch and YouTube tabs, just log in with your accounts there. Make sure for the
The frick? I don't know what to do. Still doing the error. It just disappeared and said excellent collection. I don't know why it's doing that again. Maybe I should not have bugged with the bitrate. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. Crap, it looks good, it's just showing me the warning, I don't know why. But why does Twitch pause my streams? Okay, log in. Holy crap. Oh, it says I have bad connection. Yeah, it says that. I'm not getting any desktop audio. 1 second. That's why I can't hear you. Talk.
Hello.
I don't mind, I can't hear you. I can.
again, so I'll leave that link down below. So for me, because I'm already on OBS 29, I'm going to select
I'm not sure why I can't log in.
program, but when you see everything that StreamRobot can do,
Did it log
guys
you
will
in?
get it. Just give it a chance. Before we get ahead of ourselves, we
what?
first need to get this connected
StreamRobot?
to your Twitch or YouTube account
no, I have to
and
log
to
in.
OBS. So we're gonna come
You're
over
gonna have
to
to
the
log
Stream
in,
Apps
it's not
tab,
gonna work.
right-click Add, and just give it a name. Now, underneath the version, you're gonna see 4.9 or
Oh,
version
you didn't even
5.
do
So
like
what
how
this
to
refers
log
is
in.
the
You have to
version
log in
of the
before you do
OBS
stuff.
WebSocket plugin that you have installed. So OBS WebSockets is just
Don't you have
the
to just
way
go
that
here?
this program can
Did not
communicate
receive
to OBS
authenticating
to like
response from.
change a scene or toggle your sources on and off. And if you're on OBS 28 or newer, then you're already gonna have this installed. But if you're in an
logged in
older
now.
version of
This is
OBS,
so
you're gonna
stupid.
have to install the OBS
It won't even
WebSocket
open
plugin. So
up,
I'll leave that link down below. So for me, because I'm already on OBS 29, I'm gonna select version 5. Then it's gonna ask you to put in a
Auto
password.
perform an
So go over to OBS, click on
authorization
Tools,
for
go to WebSocket Server Settings.
Wait.
You're gonna enable WebSocket Server.
This is
So
so
this is
stupid.
gonna
It won't
allow
work.
StreamerBot to actually communicate back and forth with.
They need to fix this. Because I can't log in. And it says I dropped 68.5% of my frames. It's a lot. I don't know what to do with, crap. Just reopen it, I guess. Because it just won't work. Platforms, accounts, YouTube. Let's try YouTube first. Wait, what? Oh, that was I thought I was logged in. Sign in with Google. Connecting. It won't load it. What? The frick? Connecting. It's not connecting. I don't know where it's connecting. Why is Microsoft Edge open?
This guy's going fast as fuck.
I don't know what to do.
What are you like trying to
You
do?
try. You try to
This is
log
what
in. I want to
StreamerBot
see if it
looks
works
like
for
when
you.
you first open it up.
I'm already logged
I
in.
know this looks like some Windows 95 program. but
How?
When you see everything that
You just click
StreamerBot
log
can do,
in.
you guys will
Oh,
get it. Just give
no,
it a
go to
chance. Before we
platforms.
get ahead of ourselves, we first need to get this connected
Platforms.
to your
Yeah, and
Twitch
now
or
accounts.
YouTube account and to OBS. So we're gonna come over to the
Accounts up
Stream
there.
Apps tab,
There,
right
there.
click Add,
You gotta click
and
log in.
just give it a
Yeah,
name.
right there.
Now,
What?
underneath the version, you're gonna
It
see
won't do that for me.
4.9 or version 5. So what this refers
What
to
browser
is
are you on?
the version of the
Google.
OBS WebSocket plugin that you have installed. So OBS WebSockets is just the way
I can't even
that
close
this
StreamBot
program can
over here.
communicate to OBS to like change a scene or toggle your sources on and off. And if you're on OBS 28 or newer, then you're already gonna have this installed. But if you're in an older version of OBS, you're gonna have to install the OBS WebSocket plugin. So I'll leave that link down below.
I'm gonna
so for
run
me,
it as
because I'm already
administrator.
on OBS 29, I'm gonna select
That might be
version
the problem.
5.
Oh yeah, you have to run it as administrator when you wanna.
Did you say
stream
that?
better. No. You just have to run it.
That's what I do with Twitch, and it helped a lot of things. Yep, it did it. It worked. I have to run it. Did you run it as an administrator?
I always do.
I never run everything as administrator because it's not a good idea. But I guess only like streaming stuff. I'm gonna do that. What's a bot account? What's that used for? Why would I do that?
Joker to my penthouse and I freaked. I had to
Yes, you
run
can
it.
manage my YouTube stuff, please. Okay. Token for your YouTube has incorrect number of scopes. Try it authorizing again. Okay. I'll try that again. It already has some access. What? Oh, there it is. Okay. It has auto connect on. This literally cannot not connect. Okay. Okay, I did it.
YouTube account that you check the box that says manage accounts. Otherwise, this isn't going to work for you. Then you just click the chat
Oh.
button and Bob's your uncle.
Oh, hey, Bob's my uncle. Wow. I didn't even know what you just said. Okay. Wait, can you text in my chat? Any of them? YouTube or Twitch? Whatever. I want to test it. Please
Do
include
Twitch
you.
first. So go
Hold
over
on, I'm
to
kind of busy right
platforms.
now. This guy's moving way too fast.
I know, bro. I'm on a different video. If I were you, if you want me to...
Well, I'm trying to generate my password and it won't. So.
What the frick? Web socket server settings.
So we're gonna come over to the stream
Is
apps
it-
tab,
wait, no,
right-click
no, no, no,
add,
Paxton.
and just give it a name. Now, underneath the version, you're gonna
Paxton, look at the title of the video. It says outdated. Do you want me to send you a link of the newer one? This one was 8 months ago. Now it's 2 years ago.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'll just send you a link. I literally just noticed that. I was like, okay, I'll just send you a link. This was.
We're probably doing the same thing though. WebSocket.
I mean, it doesn't seem the same with what I'm seeing.
What is the best way to combine Twitch chat and
Just
YouTube
go to
chat into
go
a
to
single stream of messages?
like 2 minutes,
If
30
you've hopped onto the
seconds.
multi-streaming
We've already
train
done all that
lately,
crap.
You've probably found
Past
it really
intro.
hard to keep up with all your different chat
Yeah,
windows for
just go
all
like
your
right
different
there.
platforms. Account that you check the box that
You've already
says
done that.
manage accounts. Otherwise, this isn't going to work for you. Then you just click the chat button, and Bob's your uncle. Is that a phrase that American people
Oh.
know, or is that
Literally
something
right
only
here. This is my Twitch
people
chat.
who are growth
There you go.
spicy
Oh,
understand?
nope. That's. Oh wait, yeah. It might just be a
Well,
Twitch.
If you start typing
Mine-
Twitch chat, you should see
mine
messages
shows-
start
it says
appearing with
all
a little Twitch
Twitch or
icon, so
YouTube.
you know which platform the messages are coming from. And then once you go live on YouTube, it'll be the same thing for
Why does it
YouTube, but
show
it'll be
one?
a YouTube icon, and it will also show their profile picture. And if combining chats is all that you wanted to do, that's it. The video can end right here for you. I know someone in chat's gonna be like, what about social stream, Nutty? They had that over a year ago. Zip it, okay? I don't want to hear it.
I might
know
need to
there's
do
other
100%.
alternatives that
I
you
don't
might
have enough
heard of,
room.
but
I have to do
there's so
100%
many
display
features
setting.
with this StreamerBot chat window that
Display
make
scale,
this
I have to
so
do
much better
100%.
than
I'm gonna
all
have
the
to use
other
it.
options I've looked at. Trust me, I've looked at
No, I'm
like
gonna
a
get used to it.
dozen other ones. So let's go through them all. For one, they have this really neat tab system. So if you just want to focus on your Twitch audience or just your YouTube audience, you can filter your messages per platform. And in the case of YouTube, since you can have multiple
like
YouTube
this, like a
streams,
doc.
you can even filter your messages
Damn.
per YouTube stream.
worked.
So if you
okay.
only want to focus on your vertical messages or only your horizontal
Twitch and it's
messages,
multi-chat.
you can do that too. It also gives you the option to send messages to every single stream all at once, or choose if you only want
do
to
I-
send it to one platform at a
how do I
time.
get rid of
What's
a
more is
vertical
if you click on any of the
canvas?
people that are talking in chat, it's gonna pull up a card with a history of all of the messages that they've sent that stream. So if someone in your chat's like, excuse me, streamer, you like missed my question earlier, you can like just click their name and you don't have to go hunting for the last thing that they said. And that works for both Twitch and YouTube. I should also mention that this supports Trovo. If anyone, I don't think anyone cares. I should have mentioned that earlier though. This card menu also has these quick little timeout buttons for different durations, which is really convenient. And you could also visit their
confused on
Twitch
how I
channel
link my-
or look at their Twitch viewer card if you want to see like their entire chat
I'm gonna
history
stop watching
since
this stream
the
because I need
dawn.
to watch the video myself.
See, I have my
Okay, I'm gonna go to my channel because I'm live.
linked, but I don't have my YouTube linked.
Okay, I'm gonna go to my channel because I'm live. Okay, so yes, it did send it through there. Okay. Now, yes, it did. Twitch channel. Twitch, they don't like allow you to have good, really good streamer quality, which kind of sucks. Yeah, like it buffers in on Twitch. I don't know how to like prioritize my Twitch. How do I change my Twitch settings? You know how to do that?
Well,
Do I add another one that's Twitch and keep the built-in stream?
no, Hayden, watch my stream. What does this say right here? What does this service
see.
say?
Second, I gotta. Where? It says auto. Oh, for me? What does it say? Oh.
Yeah, service.
Go to stream. Service says Twitch.
Yeah, so these are your Twitch settings that you're editing, not your YouTube.
Okay.
So let's say
Oh, I see.
you-
So that's how you get to the Twitch settings. Okay. Mine says
YouTube
server
settings,
auto.
This is what I stream to. I stream YouTube Shorts. So let's say I want to edit my YouTube settings. I can just use main OBS settings or uncheck that and then choose whatever settings I want. But I don't. I use main OBS settings.
Wait, go back to your settings. To the Twitch settings.
What am I doing?
Stream, right? It was stream.
Stream.
Okay, so that's on auto too. Wait, is it on auto for me? It is. But mine, I check marked enable enhancing broadcasting.
And you're getting a error message. That's why you're not allowed to use this yet.
I'm not getting an error message, but
You have to be a Twitch affiliate to use this.
no, I'm
So
not.
it doesn't-
It's check mark. I'm not. No, I'm getting like the error message thing on YouTube Studio because of Is there a YouTube Studio app?
No, it's just YouTube Studio. Just go to YouTube.
Oh yeah, go to YouTube and you can go to YouTube Studio from there. I'm so stupid. Yeah.
Just go to YouTube Studio. And then I just press create, go live. And I'm banned right now because I show my face and I'm underage. Their bitch asses don't even know. But
YouTube's strict on everything. You know, I cannot
know.
withstand 100% display skill.
that's why I only really liked Twitch. Twitch has been my favorite the entire time.
Twitch is less strict. That's the thing. That's why.
Yeah, because you're allowed to say anything you want on Twitch.
No, not exactly.
I mean, you can't really get banned.
Drugs.
Only if you say like
Can't say drugs.
racism.
Certain
You
drugs.
can.
No, certain drugs like illegal drugs.
Like
You
what?
can't talk about illegal drugs. Any
Which one?
freaking like Kick will allow that either. There's nothing will allow. Nobody uses Kick anyways.
Kick allows anything. You can't even you can barely get banned on Kick unless you say some racist remarks.
Kick's
and
not
that's
even
what
that
you-
popular anyways.
I mean, that's what Aiden Ross streams on.
I think I
Who
can
else
just close streamer bot now. Yeah, I don't think I.
Like, literally, streamer bot's only for multi-chat. That's literally the only reason why people use streamer bot.
Yeah. And now I gotta put this on. How do I put this onto my sources? Add source. How do I do that? Add source. Forgot how I did that for the other thing. Like, what was I supposed to do? It wasn't browser. It was supposed. What is it supposed to be? Application. Right.
I don't know.
Video capture device. Video window capture. Chat. Add existing? No. Create new. Okay. Select the window to capture. Streamer bot. I gotta enable. I
have my Streamlabs linked to my YouTube, so I can just like, whenever I want to, I can add like a sponsor banner. I can add a follower goal, like anything I want, pretty much.
Wait, do I have to have the chat thing open while I do streaming?
Yes, that's the problem. That's why a lot of people have streaming PCs. You know how like
Crap.
you're like gamers.
Multi-adapter compatibility. I think I need that.
Like Queso doesn't use a streaming PC because he doesn't play like heavy duty games. He only plays like Steam games. Like
Crap.
cheap Steam games.
I don't know how to add the chat to my stuff.
You can't.
I want it to show up on my screen.
You just have to open up StreamerBot every time you stream. Just open it up and then just like put it like this. I would put it like this and then put StreamerBot right here. But you
No, I
can't-
wanted to
you
show
can't
like
do it.
invisible, like be invisible, like Quesos.
What do you mean?
Like it be like it just shows their names, like Quesos.
Chatbot?
What was that?
I don't know. Oh no, it doesn't show. You have to open it from File Explorer.
Type platform. All that you wanted to do, that's it. The video can end right here for you. I know someone in chat's gonna be like, what about social stream, Nutty? They had that over a year. Zip it, okay? I don't want to hear it. I know there's other alternatives that you might have heard of, but there's so
I don't know how to add it, like on my screen.
Like you want it here, like on your screen,
Oh wait,
like
how
this?
to add transparent chat to Twitch stream? No, I want it like not.
Oh,
just...
you want to add your Twitch to like your chat to like actual like Twitch, like your actual live stream.
I want my. No, so there's like. Streamer, like watch my stream, watch my clips, okay? Watch mine. I want to show you what I mean, okay? Okay, so watch this. So I'm gonna go here to here, And when I go from here, you see this thing that says YouTube, and then I do this, and I do. This guy's funny, but this is like the first person that pops up. You've probably seen the shorts. Nope. Okay, show him real quick. Like, look, you see this? I just want on like the top.
Oh yeah, that's kind of easy. Look.
And look, you see, it shows Twitch and YouTube there, and you can customize the color of YouTube.
Yeah. You have to get the Streamlabs plugin. You have to get Streamlabs OBS plugin.
Oh, so I don't need StreamerBot.
watch
I
my
mean,
stream,
StreamerBot. Everybody uses StreamerBot. I know that, but I'm not gonna use
If you
StreamerBot.
get hold on, watch my stream. Okay.
I need to
So I would
download
just-
StreamerBot, Streamlabs.
And then you go to settings, and it should open settings. If I'm not signed in, I'll have to sign in a second. Hold on.
I don't have Streamlabs.
You have to link it. You see, it shows from like YouTube and stuff. Twitch.
Yeah, that's what I want. That's exactly what I want.
Yeah, you have to get the link, Streamlabs link, like this. It should like look up how to get the Streamlabs plugin for.
No, I probably just gotta
video.
add. I just probably just gotta freaking download Streamlabs. I don't have Streamlabs. Never knew I'd need it.
Well, I mean, Streamlabs is owned by OBS.
I know, but But OBS is more superior. Nobody uses Streamlabs anymore. Streamlabs, you can use it for like
Streamlabs is just easier.
donations.
Yeah, that's how Twitch streamers set up donations. Streamlabs is just if you're newer, it's easier.
I might add donations too. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that's for sure. Cause like, let's say somebody donates. Like, I'm gonna do $1 with somebody screaming loud because I'm never gonna get donuts. Like, oh my gosh, thank you for the $1 or something. You know? I mean, I can't do sound effects really, but
You have to have a PayPal. That's the only thing that works. PayPal.
no, you can do Twitch. You can donate through Twitch and YouTube.
You know, but you have to link your PayPal through Streamlabs. That's the only
Yeah,
thing.
no, not just like no. You gotta like link your credit card or like PayPal or whatever.
No, it's only PayPal. Only PayPal works.
No,
I
like
already checked.
no, YouTube or Twitch themselves, like to get the money from their donos. You don't get it through Streamlabs. You don't get the
No.
money through there. Okay, live streaming. That's literally what it's named.
No,
Streamlabs
it's
ID.
recording.
Wait, sign up. Create a Streamlabs ID. Wait, can I log in or sign up?
You probably have to sign up, or you can log in, but I don't know how.
I don't think I need to. Date of birth. My birthday is this birthday. Yeah, I don't want you knowing my birthday. Okay. Like, oh, must be 16 years of age. Well, then I'm born in 1842. No, I'll just be
One of the biggest annoyances that has always existed when trying to use features of Streamlabs with the live streaming software OBS Studio is all the manual customization required just to pull in your alerts, widgets, a window to read your chat. That's why I am so excited today to show you guys a brand new plugin from Streamlabs that has officially made using OBS Studio that much easier. Let's get to it. So the first step to
Look.
fully integrating this
Hey,
stream.
watch my stream real quick.
watch my
stream.
clicks. Okay, yeah.
So if I do this, look, if I add this, it automatically adds. Right. Oh,
Yeah,
shit, hold
yeah.
on.
You're not supposed to touch that.
Look, if
It's
I
invisible,
sign
so you
up-
can't see because you don't have any people in your chat. You should fill it up in your own stream.
Look,
Yeah. Why'd you do a sound effect, dude?
I don't know how to turn that off. I don't know. It's because I was a first time chatter.
Oh.
When
Crap,
chats
that'd be
come in-
annoying, bro.
No, it's only when chats start coming in fast. Like, let's say you're like a big streamer and chats come in every like 30 seconds. It won't do that. But what I do is I edit this.
Is I
go to
eat a
settings.
nudie booty out of my butthole and then I skip the scooty booty badooty.
And I make the.
Wait, I don't want to add just my YouTube. What? No,
You
it
add
just
your
added
Twitch-
just
you
my
link your Twitch
YouTube or
after.
whatever, bro.
You link your Twitch after.
Oh, import Twitch Studio, start fresh, import from USB Studio. Should I do that?
And YouTube.
Import from USB.
nope.
What? Start. Importing? Okay. Choose free. Of course, I'm not going freaking ultra mode with the skibbityness. Yeah, I don't like Streamlabs with the way they set the crap up. Okay. Streamlabs doesn't show up, so how do I set this plugin up? How do I add plugins? How do I plug in? How to add Streamlabs to OBS.
It's a
Streamlabs
plugin.
plugin for OBS guide.
Yeah, it's a whole full plugin. Like I'm.
Oh, I don't even need to get Streamlabs. Are you serious?
Yeah, I was about to say, you don't have to get Streamlabs.
Download the Streamlabs. What? Excuse me? I can't download it. The link didn't work. The frick? It says page not found. Oh, I don't really give a crap if you've done 1.5 billion in tips to live streamers. I don't care.